Krishna Hegde, respond to what Mr. Jain is saying. Mr. Jain is saying that the arrest has not happened by design. Otherwise, the Maharashtra police, which can shoot dead Akshay Shinde, which can arrest 72 people protesting the rapes, can easily arrest these two men. It's
No, I
by
agree with
design.
the.
Is the
I agree
design, as
with.
the opposition says, the fact that these two men are linked to the RSS and the BJP?
I don't think they are linked to the BJP because they are not office bearers of the BJP. I agree with Mr. Jain partially because he says that they are not rapists, but they are booked in a POXO case, and I'm sure the police is going to apprehend them in a day or two. And obviously, since their bail has been rejected, I think it is. They have done the gravest of
आवाज गेला.
mistakes by not at that time reporting to the police in the first 2 days itself, and I think that is showing them as being part of the crime. But I don't. But they are not rapists. They are not hardened criminals like Mr. Jain said, and there I agree with him. However, the law
So,
is
Krishna Hegde ji, if they
the
are not
police.
hardened criminals, if they are not rapists, which I agree with you, they are not, why are they absconding for 50 days? Maharashtra's own SIT is saying that they are absconding for 50 days. Why are they absconding?
No, no,
They are absconding
absolutely.
because they
They
know
are-
they can abscond. And the police
No, no,
will not come after them. You are saying
No,
that
no,
they
no.
are not office bearers of the BJP. Palla mat jhadiye, Krishna Hegde ji. Let me tell you. Tushar Sharad Apte, can I tell you what link he has with the BJP? He heads the party's Jan Kalyan Samiti in Ambarnath.
No, where is he the office bearer of the BJP? He's not an office bearer of the BJP if he, heads or a deputy leader of the Jan Kalyan Kendra. So he's not a direct office bearer of the BJP. However, we are not disputing that fact also. What I am saying is the Maharashtra police, and like Jain Saab mentioned, it's not the Mumbai police. The Maharashtra police is extremely efficient. They have cracked top cases, whether it's the Porsche case, whether it's the hit and run case, and other cases all across Maharashtra and the in all the years till now. And to get these two is not a difficult job. They will get them and they will be caught, and obviously they will be tried for whatever activities, criminal activities or not they are part of.
Mr.
However, I would
I will
still say that they are not rapists.
I will let Clyde Crasto come in and respond to what you are saying. A, to the fact that they are not hardened criminals. B, that they have no direct links to the BJP. And C, that the Maharashtra police is competent enough to arrest them. इतने competent होते तो 50 days हो गए हैं ना, Mr. Hegde.
No, no,
The
Shreya,
point is,
thing
if there is a will, they
you
will
know,
arrest them. There is clearly no will to
No, no,
arrest
there-
them.
no,
The
no, no,
same
there
way
is
that there was no will to file an FIR in the case. Let's not
Oh, there is
forget that.
obviously-
Let's not forget that the parents of one little girl, the mother was pregnant, was made to wait and run around for 12 hours by the police before filing an FIR. This despite the fact that they had a medical report
Shreya,
to
because
say
of
that their
all the
daughter has
four-
been raped.
You will not
This
let
is
me
how
talk,
competent
Shreya,
the
I'm sure
Maharashtra
of that.
police is, sir.
No, the four
Acha, let
policemen
Clyde Crasto
who
come in, sir.
the four policemen who were there have lost their jobs. They are suspended already. So action has been taken against them.
Very good, sir. Clyde, would you want to come in?
Yes, Shreya, I want to say that I completely agree with Mr. Jain. There's nothing but a design behind this whole thing. It's to protect somebody, shield somebody. Now, if I say that they had BJP links, somebody starts screaming, prove it, prove it, prove it. Let's keep that prove it part aside. Let's keep the linked part aside. Are we trying to say that the Maharashtra police, which is so competent and has cracked some of the most severe cases, are not able to find two people for 50 days? I mean, I don't think anybody will believe that. The point here is now that if they are unable to find these people, there's definitely some kind of pressure on them. So who's putting the pressure? Why is the pressure being put? Because the Home Department seems to have failed here. Because somebody, like Mr. Jain saying they are not hardened criminal. Well, they are not hardened criminal because they are not going around murdering or doing things around. But these people knew that this was happening in the school. So they are complicit. They are equally to be blamed and they should be brought to book. The point here is, something is amiss here because I cannot believe that the Maharashtra police cannot arrest two people on the run for 50 days now. Therefore, there is definitely some pressure on them. We need to find out what the pressure is now. Me as an individual, you as an individual cannot find out. The Home Minister has to come out in the open and, actually tell the people why they have failed to find these people. I mean, every day we keep hearing, every debate we keep hearing, in 1 or 2 days they'll be arrested, in 1 or 2 days they'll be arrested. How do you know they'll be arrested in 1 or 2 days? Then tell us how you'll know that in 1 or 2 days they'll be arrested. If they can be arrested in 1 or 2 days, then why have they not been arrested? So there is definitely a design behind this. They are waiting for anticipatory bail. They know they will not get anticipatory bail. The court has pulled them up. The court has pulled the police also. And, you know, at the end of the day, I mean, there is no heart. These people are completely insensitive. There are kids that have been misused here. The trustees knew about it. The FIR was not being lodged for 12 hours. People who protested against them have been arrested. But these two people, they cannot find. I mean, if they were not hardened criminals, then how easy is for them to hide so much? I believe hardened criminals who hide, even they are brought to book by the police. Maharashtra police is that good. So these two people who are not hardened criminals, who are not involved in all these things, how come they are able to hide? That means somebody is protecting them. The Home Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, has to come out in the open and tell the people why he and his department and the police have failed on this matter.